Hey guys, so for today's video I am going to be doing my Halloween treat ideas. If you have some more video suggestions on treat ideas or DIYs or any other type of videos that I should do, you should comment them down below and I will get on to the video now.
So for the first treat, you will need brownie mix, fake eyeballs, and candy melt. So first I poured the mix into the bowl and then I followed the directions that the box told me to. And after that, I stirred it all up and then I put it into the oven, and once it was out of the oven, I started pouring the melty candy on top. Then I poured on some sprinkles. Then I started placing on the eyeballs, and after the eyeballs were all set, it was done. So for the second treat, you will need pretzels, strawberries, sprinkles, and candy melt. So I first melted the candy melt and then I started putting the strawberries into the candy melt. After I put the strawberries into the candy melt, I started putting the pretzels into the candy melt. Then after they were done, I started arranging them onto the plates. Then I started pouring the sprinkles on the pretzels and the strawberries, and after that was done, I was finished. So for the last treat, you will need cake mix, cupcake holders, and a cupcake pan. First, I started putting the cupcake holders into the cupcake pan. After that, I poured my mix into the bowl. Then I poured the ingredients into the bowl that the cake mix told me to. After that, I started mixing the ingredients in the bowl. Then I started pouring the mix into the cupcake holders. After that, I put them into the oven. And after they were out of the oven, I started putting the cupcake toppers onto the cupcakes, and then they were finished.
Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is to hit 20,000 subscribers. So please, 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 please subscribe. I think that's all I have to say. Please subscribe. And goodbye.